Nice one. Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, I'm just going to react to a highly requested Kurdish mashup for the past couple of days, so to say. Many of my Kurdish subscribers in my Instagram and many of my subscribers Kurdish subscribe on me to react to. Some of you guys asked me in my recent videos, we need to react to this Kurdish mashup by Abel Ibrahim and Karzan Isham. So you guys want me to react to highly requested one, so I thought of let's do it for my Kurdish subscribers. I'm so much excited. Also, guys, when I uploaded the Alan Azim video, you probably seen it. They blocked the video, so I uploaded it in the Google Drive. So go check out the reaction. I just uploaded a short version in the YouTube, and original full video I uploaded in the Google Drive. I'll put the link. I'll put the link. But if you not at watch, go check out the video. I just want to say, yeah, guys, I'm so much excited. It's like Kurdish mashup. It's been a real while since I reacted to Kurdish mashup. So before getting into the reaction, I just want to say, hey. Hello lovely people of Kurdistan, Sla and Chowan Basan, hello back. Welcome to the channel. Since you guys came back to the channel to see my reaction, I love you guys. So Koshamavan, keep showing the love and support, more videos to come. So all the lovely Kurdish people, appreciate your love in my live stream. You guys supporting me in my live stream. You guys just showing some love on Instagram, following and all that, so really appreciate all the love. So before getting into the reaction, subscribe if you're new and along with the notification. Follow me in my social medias like Instagram and Facebook. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second, but if you guys do so, that really means a lot to me. Link in the description. So don't wanna get delayed. So I hope this video don't get blocked. I don't know, recently Kurdish people are blocking my video, man. I'm just kinda obsessed. I'm kinda upset or disappointed. I don't know why they did that, but anyways, it's fine. It's like copyright thing. It's sucks totally. Whatever the copyright really sucks. Let's go, vegan. Nice. When it's like Abel Ibrahim, I reacted to a song of him. I already have reacted to him. Oh, look at the mountains, man. Awesome locations. I don't know how many songs it's gonna have, so let's find out. Ooh, 4 people. Nice one. So one noisy. Wait, let me just check. When it's Abel Ibrahim, I think the one with the glittery jacket is. I don't know. I'm gonna Google it right now. Okay, the other one is Abel Ibrahim. The one with the glittery jacket is the Karzan. Got it. Let's go. Nice, man. Wait. Am I just doing it wrong? Because all the songs. Okay, guys, I just found in the description. It seems there are many artists in this video, but the thing is, Abel Ibrahim is the one who just did the production, I guess, for this video, for this mashup. It seems, but there are many artists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 artists. So fine, I got it. Let's go. I got a confusion. Only 2 artists gonna be here. Nice, man. Nice locations. They're swimming. That was nice. Ooh. it's Erbil, right? Like the capital of Kurdistan. And because I just reacted to the Drubinski video, I just like know like the capitals and cities by that. So I think it's Erbil, capital of Kurdistan. Cool, cool mashup. So another song. So when it's like the glittery jacket guy, he is Karzan Hisham. There is no doubt in that. But when it's like Aval Ibrahim, that he's not here in this music video, but he did the production for this video, for this mashup. Hey, it was nice. The beat though. Next song, pausing to the next song. So everyone sings. Nice one. Cool man, cool vibe so far. Okay, they just like as they goes by, first it was in the mountain areas, and after that they just came nearby city, and they just now into the city. So the song goes by, they're getting into the city more. Nice theme. I noticed that. You guys noticed that? You're vibing, man. Canada singer. Oh, they're literally just doing a vlog. It seems like they're showing every beautiful places over there. Like while they just goes by like a vlog, kind of whatever their moments, what they just like. I mean, what are the moments occurring? They're trying to capture. It's like kind of vlog, also plus music. If you notice it. Okay, they're going into the form. Let's go, yalla. Traditional. Hey, all are wearing the traditional Kurdish outfit. Usually they have the cloth, right? Like a kerchief. Yes, this one. Total vibe, man. And also all of a sudden when I just look Karzan Hisham, he just looks like PewDiePie. I don't know why I get the vibe of PewDiePie, but it just like in some angle he looks like PewDiePie all of a sudden. Also especially in the long range look, he looks like PewDiePie. Gotta say. Hey, smooth though. Nice one, man. this one. Damn, he just made a vibration mode on the body like this. Did you guys notice? That was good, man. Such a vibe producing song. Nice one, man. Gotta really appreciate. Thanks for letting me know. That was a good mashup. It's my first reaction, first Kurdish mashup reaction the year 2021. I want to really appreciate that. Really, that was awesome. It seems Abel Ibrahim did the production. It seems, but he's not here. But other artists are Kazan Isham, Kawa Salah, and Akar Mustafa, Lukman Mahdi, and Nechirwan, and Aaron Rashid. And it's like they just did 4 songs. It seems 1, 2, 3, 4. Milli Slave. Okay, I don't want to pronounce it, but in the description it's given. Go check it for yourself. Thanks for letting me know. That was an awesome mashup. Do let me know more mashup like this. I hope everything goes when it's Kurdish subscribers support me. We need more supporters, more big community. If you want to make a big community, it's possible because only of you, because only you can do that. So please share this video to the maximum so that we can just expand our Kurdish community for people who just support us. And also subscribe if you're new or under, along with the notification bell. Do follow me in my social medias like Instagram. Leave a like in my Facebook page. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second, but if you guys do so, that really means a lot to me. Link in the description. All love. Zoru super. Thank you guys for watching my reaction. And as I said, do this 3 things subscription along with notification, follow me in my social medias like Instagram, share this video. Please do these 3 things. That means the world to me. And Bishi Kurda Kurdistan. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right as always. I will see you guys next video. Until then, bye bye.